Hey guys, Marty the Gathering Place here. How you guys all doing? Just before starting the video, just say a big thank you to sponsor the channel, GameKeeper Online. Go check them out. The link is going to be in the description below. Today I'm just doing a quick little video. I got some mail today from Editor J from MTG Attitude. I'll put the link to their YouTube channel in the description below. And we're going to open some random packs that I got last week at my local LGS. So, let's start with the mail. Gonna have some nice little scissors. Ooh. Okay, so this is a card from their monthly draws that MTG Attitude do. They have a certain type of value cards, and that's one of them that they got sent to me. Oh, shit! Crucible Worlds. Wow. These prices are in American. So, we're going to open some packs. I placed them in orders I prefer. Don't really like Aftermath. There's some good product in there. That I don't say that. It's just doing a small set after doing a main set. It's, I don't know. Samut Visor of Naktamun. I don't know if I'm saying that right. But Niv Mrs. Supreme. And a token. Next pack, new Capena. We'll get straight to the big hits. And we have Ramble Rousing. Another rare. Foil common. Land. And a token. Brothers of War. This is a draft pack, so no chance of getting a Transformer card. Token. So we have Perennial Behemoth as our rare. Uncommon. Marching Machines. Still the latest sets out there. That is standard legal. Lower Green just came out last Friday. Okay, we have here is Invasion of Ixalan. And one common. I don't like it because it jumps from common to uncommon and then comes back to uncommon, and sometimes there's a rare in the middle of all that. But did we even get a... Oh yeah, okay. Probably pass over. Farisian. All will be one. Hold on with land. Oh, foil. Uncommon. And our rare is the Filigree Silence. And then we have our commons. Dominaria United. Good set. Token. Land. Burp. The phasing himself here. Oh, we have a cut down. That's not bad. Domain Horizon 2. I think one of the best sets of value in the latest years. They came out. Yes, you can get not a good pack, but then you can get a good pack where Enchantress of Presence, not bad. Harmonic Prodigy, and Goblin Token. Elementals, Fetches, Ragavan, like... That was the United, sorry, going too fast here. Chain Lightning is good. My son. Mind Slicer, burp. The rest, Retro. Foil Land. Oh no, Foil Common, sorry. Retro Land. And Elephant Token. Well, that's it, guys. Hope you like the video. Please like, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel. Or a small channel here, growing. Hopefully I can get that 200 mark. That'd be amazing. So on that note, guys, we'll see each other really soon. Peace.
Forge of fire, rise the black cloud. Forge of fire.